Okay, we got these birds in today. Northern cardinal sparrow. Okay, we got this one. If you could see, she's not even wanting me to get it from her. She's hiding it in her. Let me see, Olivia. Olivia, look at this. She just opened it out of the box. Out of the box. This is it is. Came with 2 birds. This is our other one right here. And you can see, we just gave it to them. I don't know what's in them, but these cats are going crazy. He won't release it. He has his nails right on it. Olivia, let me see your birdie. What's wrong with your birdie? You like your birdie? Oh. I don't know what's in these birds, but they love them.